You take from that side. And I can sit down and take. Oh, shoot. There you go. Perfect. Still shooting?
Yeah.
It's rolling.
That's a rolling boil from only one of the candle fire starter mixed with sawdust that we made. We put maybe less than a handful of wood chips for the bottom. But look at that sucker boil. And it's actually in less than, I'd say about 7 minutes total. Cool, huh? Here, son, get a side view of that flame. Come on the other side. Look at that. Perfect. Even if we used a hoo-hoo stove, we know this one thing is perfect. Where's the cover? Cover back on. Until it burns out. That's... Well, you know what? Don't do that. Because I mean, looking at the bottom now, it seems like it's coming. Well, not really. It looks like it's pretty solid burning. We'll let it burn out. See what time.